Hey everyone, it's Mark the Tax Wit with your Tax Tip Thursday. Advanced Child Tax Credit update number 3. I think it's 3. I don't know. It's one of the many updates because the IRS keeps changing things. So let's look to the IRS.gov website, and you still go to the Get Answers on the Advanced Child Tax Credit. Now, when you go here, it just looks like a FAQ where you've got, topic A, general information, eligibility, calculation. These are all good resources. And if you click on them, it just gives you, the plus to, will the advanced tax credit payments affect any government benefits? No, they're not going to affect anything. Can I call the IRS? I'm going to tell you right now, to update my bank information. There's no way to do that on the phone. You can do it on this new online portal they have right here. But how do you get to that? Because look, if I go back, you're just looking at this right here. The only way to get to the 3 portal section is to click on the Advanced Child Tax Credit payments in 2021. Then you've got Manage Payments, Non-Filers, and check if you're eligible. All right. The big thing is that the non-filers, again, don't do that unless you absolutely are not filing a tax return, are not planning on filing a tax return, but somehow still have kids. I think there's a very few people who would qualify where I'd want you to do that. There's this new one, which is to check if you're eligible, the eligibility assistant. This one, you need to have your tax return that you filed in 2020 or 2019. If you haven't filed 2020 yet, and you need to have your income statements like your W-2s and 1099s and the amount of any expenses or adjustments to your income. You may still be able to benefit, even if you aren't working or didn't work in 2020. There's still a way to get it. So how do you use this? You click on this, and then you got to answer these questions like, did you claim the child tax credit? Well, let's just say yes. And then, was your main home for in the United States for 19 or 20? It says you may qualify. Next. And then that's the results. It tells you how much. Anyway, we're going to go back here and we're just going to, go back here to these 3. So that's just something. It's check you're eligible. But here's the new thing. Check if you're enrolled, unenroll, and provide an update to your bank account. Now, this is the newest part for this week. You can finally update your bank account information if you think you've got a new bank, you've got something else in there. This little bit of information is going to help you put your new bank in. Just make sure you have that routing number and account number so you can have the direct deposit set up. This will not work before next week for July 15th. You can only update it for August. Now, in the coming months, you will be able to make other updates that affect your payment. So they've got these update information dates. We already have the June 21st where they said find out if you're eligible, unenroll, and see a list of your payments. Of course, there aren't any payments yet, so that will be after next week. You can go in and see, oh, I got paid. Maybe I should find that money. Then June 30th, they added this make changes to your bank account information starting in August. I have not gone through that process myself. I can't walk you through it because you have to log in and get all your information. So we'll check on that. If I have someone who I can let me take screenshots, I might do that and show you how it works. Early August, you're going to be able to make changes to your address. This is huge. The only way to make changes to your address right now is to mail in a change of address form with the IRS. This is going to take forever. The post office is slower. The IRS isn't opening mail. I don't think that's going to happen anytime in the next couple of months. So this make changes to your address is a big game changer. And then late summer, make changes to your dependents. Hey, new baby, or I'm not claiming this kid this year. So if you don't want to unenroll for all kids, you might be able to do it for one kid based on that. Also changing your marital status and your income. So if your job changed, you're going to make too much money, you want to change things, that's what you can do. And then re-enroll if you previously unenrolled. Did say once you unenroll, you cannot re-enroll. But now they're saying you might be able to. And look, just a disclaimer, dates subject to change. So who knows what the answer will be next week. But I just wanted to give you those quick bits of information on what's coming. And then if you go back here, okay, to the managed payments, again, you're going to do the same thing. Sign in with ID.me. I've had some people, you have to update upload a selfie and a photo of your driver's license or state ID. We had some people who did this. It didn't work the first day. It worked the second day. Anyway, that's your Tax Tip Thursday. We'll see you next time. Have a good one.